mode, and as you can see, and this is the first time in your life that you can see that, a wireless drone will follow me in this pool. So it recognizes where is this remote always, and if I put the remote in this direction, you can see iBubble will recognize it, but also recognize my shape on the water. And if a diver come between me and iBubble, it will recognize the other diver in a few seconds, but just after a few seconds it will also understand that this is not the diver with the remote, this is me. When I go in the direction of iBubble, you can see also it keeps the distance with me. Always to have the right shot in the water. If I change the direction, now it's not simple with the fins, but iBubble will adjust also its direction with me and follow me in any case. If I want to do a closer shot, I can call iBubble in a come to me mode, and if I have a murray or something else under a rock, it will directly come to me, switch off the propeller, and I will be able to record what I want. Let's go diving with the tank, it will be better.
Any questions? Just,
No, actually,
yes, okay, good.
she told me to come. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. We need to speak together. We have